Hello guys, this is your House Fitness. My name is Min Young, and today we're gonna go through a body to the jab. So essentially it's the same thing, but you're trying to reach out while you're bending your legs. As a demonstration, if you want to jab to the body, you want to bend your legs and then come one step forward to get that reach. So this is the motion you want. Bend your legs and come forward. And then step 2, you want to put your jab out. So as you're throwing, jab out, and make sure to breathe out and be loose as possible. As a demonstration, we have a bag here. Get in your stance. Remember, bend legs and step forward. So, come back. This is also really good to distance yourself from your opponent and also making that distance when you're stepping right in. And that's how you throw a step, bend, jab. Hope you guys enjoy.